Affiliate marketing changed everything for me. But when I started, I had no idea what I was doing. If you're just starting or still stuck watching everyone else make commissions, you need to hear these quick tips that would have saved me months of overthinking. Tip 1. Choose the right system. Don't promote random links. Choose something that pays well, has support, and aligns with you. That's why I chose DMS. It's 90% commissions plus beginner-friendly. Tip 2. Don't overthink the tech. You don't need a funnel, website, or automation to start. Start with your story and social media. Let the system do the heavy lifting. Tip 3. People buy you, not the link. They want connection, not corporate. Share your why, your journey, your transformation. Tip 4. Documents create. Don't stress about being perfect. Share behind the scenes, small wins, what you're learning. Tip 5. Build trust before you sell. Be real. Use stories. Answer DMs. Post helpful content. Then invite. Don't pitch like a robot. Tip 6. One product, one platform. Focus equals sales. Master one platform like YouTube. Stick with one core offer like DMS. Tip 7. Treat this like a business. Not a hobby, not a side hustle. This is your exit plan. Show up even when it's quiet, especially then. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich scheme. It's a get-consistent game. The DMS is what helped me start making sales without tech stress or guessing. If you're ready to stop watching and start earning, comment START or click the link in the description and let's do this.